Hello friends, আজি আমি থ্ৰী ফেজ ইণ্ডাকশ্যন মটৰৰ MCQ সমূহ বিষয়ে আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। তো আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো আছে The advantage of wood rotor motor is that ইয়াৰে অপশ্যনত আছে অপশ্যন A it is inexpensive maintenance, অপশ্যন B it requires less maintenance, অপশ্যন C external resistance can be inserted in the rotor circuit, and option D none of the above. So here I have to answer to option C. External resistance can be inserted in the rotor circuit. Next question to us, the full load slip of a three-phase induction motor ranges from option option A 10% to 20%, option B 20% to 30%, and option C 2% to 5%. So and option D is none of the above. So here I would to answer to option C 2% to 5%. So next question to say, in a three-phase induction motor the rotor speed dash the synchronous speed. So here option option A greater than, option B smaller than, and option C equal to, and option D none of the above. So here I would to answer to option B smaller than. Then next question to say, when the rotor of a three-phase induction motor is blocked the slip is dash. Here option option A 0, option B 0.5, and option C 0.1, and option D 1. So here I have to answer to option D 1. So next question to say, three-phase wound rotor motor are also called dash motors. Here option option A synchronous, option B slip ring, option C series, and option D commutator. So here I have to answer to option B slip ring. So three-phase wound rotor motor are also called slip ring motor. So next question to us, the stator of a three-phase induction motor produces dash magnetic field. So here option option A steady, option B rotating, and option C alternating, and option D none of the above. So here I have to answer to option B rotating. So next question to us, if a 4-pole induction motors has a synchronous speed of 1500 rpm, then the supply frequency is option option A 50 Hz, option B 25 Hz, and option C 60 Hz, and option D none of the above. So here I would to answer to option A 50 Hz. So here এটা formula আছে, তো ফৰ্মুলাটো হৈছে NS is equal 120F divided by P. So এইটো ইণ্ডাকশ্যন মটৰটো হৈছে 4-pole ইণ্ডাকশ্যন মটৰ, আৰু ইয়াৰ RPM মানে synchronous speed NS is equal 1500 আছে. So synchronous speedৰ ভ্যালুটো হৈছে 1500 RPM. তো NS is equal 1500 RPM is equal 120 into F divided by P. তো P ভ্যালুটো হৈছে 4. তো ইয়াতে আমি ক্যালকুলেশন কৰিলে ইয়াৰ এনসাৰটো হ'ব 50 Hz. So next question to আছে, the air gap between stator and rotor of a three-phase induction motor ranges from, আৰু ইয়াৰে অপশ্যনত আছে অপশ্যন A 2 cm to 4 cm, option B 0.4 mm to 4 mm, and option C 1 cm to 2 cm, and option D 4 cm to 6 cm. So here শুদ্ধ এনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন বি 0.4 mm to 4 mm. It means the air gap between stator and rotor of a three-phase induction motor ranges from 0.4 mm to 4 mm. So next question to Summer. At no load, the rotor core loss of a three-phase induction motor is dash. So here option আছে. Option A large, option B small, option C practically zero, and option D none of the above. So here would do answer to option C practically zero. So next question to us. In the slip of induction motor increases, then current in the stator winding dash. So here option আছে. Option A is increased, option B is decreased, and option C remain unchanged, and option D none of the above. So here would answer to option A is increased. So next question to say the approximate efficiency of a three-phase 50 Hz 4-pole induction motor running at 1350 rpm is. So yate induction motor tour efficiency ulaba lage. So here option is option A 90%, option B 40%, and option C 65%, and option D none of the above. So here I would to answer to option A 90%. So next question to us. For higher efficiency of three-phase induction motor, the slip should be dash. So here option আছে. Option A large, option B very large, option C as small as possible, and option D 1. So here would to answer to option C as small as possible. So next question to আছে আমাৰ in an induction motor, the ratio of rotor copper loss and rotor input is given by. Here option আছে. Option A S. S means slip, and option B 1 divided by S, then 1 minus S, and option D S divided by 1 minus S. So here I would do answer of option A S. It means slip. So here next question to say the no load speed of an induction motor depends upon. Here option আছে. Option A the supply frequency, option B the number of its poles, and option C the maximum flux divided by phase. So option D only 1 and 2. Okay. It means I aru 2 mane A aru B. So here would to answer of option D only 1 and 2 mane A aru B. So here answer of the supply frequency and the number of its poles. So next question to say the supply voltage to an induction motor is reduced by 1%. By what percentage approximately will be maximum torque decrease? So here option আছে. Option A 20%, option B 50%, and option C 40%, and option D 10%. So here would to answer to 20%. Then next question to আছে in an induction motor slip depends on supply frequency, option B rotor input power, and option C rotor copper loss, and option D 2 and 3. So here option would to answer to option D. It means 2 and 3. So B and C to here would to answer. So here answer to rotor input power and rotor copper loss. So next question to say The operation of an induction motor is based on, to yare option আছে option A Lenz law, option B Ampere's law, option C mutual induction, option D self induction. So yare শুদ্ধ answer to হবে option C mutual induction. So next question to আছে the frequency of rotor current in a 6-pole 50 Hz 3-phase induction motor running at 950 rpm is yare option আছে option A 2.5 Hz, option B 1.5 Hz, and option C 5 Hz, and option D 0.05 Hz. So yare শুদ্ধ answer to option A 2.5 Hz. So next question to আছে if the speed of 3-phase induction motor increase the efficiency. So here option আছে option A decreases, option B increases, and option C remain the same, then option D insufficient data. So here শুদ্ধ answer to option B increases. তো যদি মোৰ ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পাইছে তেন্তে প্লিজ লাইক সাবস্ক্ৰাইব এণ্ড প্লিজ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব.